All right, guys. Happy asynchronous Wednesday, I suppose. Hope you guys had an opportunity to maybe get some extra sleep this morning. That's probably nice. So I'm going to go over with you what we're going to be doing today for the asynchronous assignment. And just keep in mind that you have to complete this and you have to submit it prior to midnight in order to be counted as present for today. So make sure you handle this at some point today and make sure you submit it prior to midnight. This way you're counted as being present. Anyone who doesn't is going to be counted as absent. So make sure you handle that, okay? So I'm going to go over with you what we're going to be doing. I know we've spoken about assessment in this class, and we've basically said that giving multiple choice tests and quizzes is not really going to work because it's tough to do with integrity. But it's important that you guys see what some of the multiple choice questions that go with this topic are. So what I have done is I've put together a Google form with a whole bunch of multiple choice questions in it. And basically what we're going to do is you guys are going to take a look at some of the multiple choice questions that go with this so that you can practice. Now, the first thing I'm going to say is that it's important that we understand that this does not count as an assessment. It only counts as classwork. As long as you complete it and submit it, you get a 4. I don't care if you get every question wrong or right or half and half. That has nothing to do with your grade, okay? I care if you get, how well you do, but how well you do has no bearing on the classwork grade that you will get for today, okay? So I want to make that very, very clear. The reason I'm giving this to you is because we need to know, what you don't know, as individuals, and also we need to know what we do and don't know as a group, right? Because if all of us are missing something, that means I did a bad job teaching us a particular thing, and I need to go back and take another look at that. And we need to go back over that stuff, right? So this data is valuable for telling us how well we know the information individually, and also how well all of you know the information collectively, right? So that's the important part. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to open up this Google form here. Your Google Classroom assignment is here, French Revolution Practice Multiple Choice. And you're going to open up this form, and there's a whole bunch of questions here about everything from the Enlightenment and to the French Revolution and Napoleon, etc. So you're going to take a look at this, and I want you guys to try your best to answer each of these questions as correctly as you can. Look, cheating doesn't do anybody any favors in this instance, because if you cheat, the only thing that you're going to do is trick me into thinking that you know something that you don't, and you're never going to learn it. The Regents is coming regardless, right? So if you trick me into thinking you know something that you don't, the Regents is going to get even real quick, right? So we need to be honest with each other about what we do and don't know. That's why I have removed this as an assessment grade, right? I don't want you to feel that pressure that you have to get a good grade on this because it's an assessment grade. It's just a classwork grade. So as long as you put in genuine effort and answer every question to the best of your ability, like I said, how well you do on it has no bearing on your classwork grade in this particular instance, okay? So go in here, answer each of these questions as best you can. I think there's 20 of them. When you're done, it'll tell you how you did, and I might even give you an answer key. So I will kind of share results of this, from the whole group when we meet again on Thursday, tomorrow. So that's the general idea. So for today, complete this Google form, answer all these questions, make sure you submit it when you're done, and you're good to go, all right? So enjoy the rest of your asynchronous Wednesday, and I'll see you guys back here live on Thursday. Have a good one.